Summertime in Texas makes me really wish that this Model 3 had ventilated seats. For the last several years, Rachel and I have had cars with heated seats, and Rachel especially really loves those in the wintertime. Until we got our Chevy Bolt a couple of years ago, I didn't realize how much I would appreciate a heated steering wheel. Now this Tesla Model 3, of course, has heated seats, has a heated steering wheel, but between 2018 and 2023, these Tesla Model 3s did not have ventilated seats. They fixed that with the Highland, but if you're like me and you have one of these first gen, if you'd call them, Tesla Model 3s, you don't have that option. A company called Yeslak has sent me an item that they call their CoolRide Ventilated seat covers for Model 3 and for Model Y. I'm going to go through an unboxing and installation and kind of tell you what I think and how much, and if they really do help us with some seat ventilation for these hot Texas summers. If at the end of this video you feel like this is a product you would be interested in, the link will be down in the description, and if you enter the promo code SPINNER, you'll receive 20% off of your purchase. Now let's go see what's in the box. In the package we had two of these boxes that inside is the seat cover. Scoot the box out of the way, remove the packaging, and here we go. You can see it's the same type of vegan leather for the vents. It has a loop to go around the headrest. It has these clips to tuck in at the base of the seat. It gets its power from this cable here, and we have a 12-volt power plug with two ends on it to connect each seat. Both of the seat covers have this power button or power selector on the right side, and if I read the instructions correctly, it will automatically turn on when I sit down on it. Red is the speed 1, blue is speed 2, and green is speed number 3. To make sure that I knew what I was doing, I already installed the driver's side, and it's really easy. So this is the passenger side. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move this zipper so that this cord comes out on facing the center, and then flip it over so that I've got this side with the vents facing up, and let it fold. Right here where they come together are these little clips that are going to slide in here where the seat bottom meets the seat back. I'm going to push them in far enough that they grab a hold of the joint. There we go. Bring the back, loop this elastic over the headrest, and then down here I'm going to take these hooks, pull them down around the front lip of the seat, and now the seating pad is secure. Then we're going to connect them to power. Right here in the armrest is the 12-volt outlet. I'm going to take the 12-volt plug, plug it in. I'm going to take this cable onto this side of the car, and here is the connector for the passenger side, and here is the connector for the driver's side. And then I'm going to take the extra cable and tuck it out of the way and kind of bind it up with the twist tie. Whew. And it's already working. I can feel it. As soon as I connected the power while I was sitting on the seat, the ventilated seat pad did turn on, and it was on the red setting, which the website describes as setting number 1. I've played around going from the red to the blue to the green. Red is setting 1, blue is setting 2, green is setting 3. Like it's a fan at your house. The first thing that you click on, that's high speed. So red setting 1 feels, there I feel like I'm getting the most airflow. It feels like I've got an air conditioning vent on my back, which is really great. There is some electronics and some wiring in there that would fall around the small of your back, but the way that I have the seat set, I was worried that I would feel that and it would be uncomfortable, but the way that I have the seat set, I don't even feel it. I can't even tell that it's there. I was concerned that the extra thickness on this seat, I'll show you here. Well, no, you can't really see that. I was concerned that this extra thickness on the seat might make me have to readjust the seat a little bit, but right now everything seems to be fine. This is a nice addition. To make sure I covered the possibility of is it going to feel different when I'm actually sitting and driving the car, I can say no, I can't tell that the seat cover's there. I don't feel the button on my leg, I don't feel the wiring in my back. It's just like the regular seat. In fact, it feels like there's a little bit more padding. and I've got ventilation. I've got air on my back, which is really nice and really comfortable in this heat. My honest verdict, really truly honest verdict, is I like these things. These are the CoolRide ventilated seat covers for Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y. If you want to get a set of these for your car, the link is down in the description. If you enter the promo code SPINNER, you'll receive an additional 20% off of your purchase on the Yeslak website. Really like these things. They're going to come in really handy for our big road trip coming up. And right now, when we're in the hottest week that we've had here, it's supposed to be like 103, which is a cool summer for Texas, but it's hot. I'm really going to appreciate these ventilated seats. Please subscribe. We got more content coming up. Thank you very much for watching.